Greetings, today I am installing the Autobeam Performance LED fog lights on my Focus RS. So these are the Performance LED H8 fog lights from Autobeam, and these we are going to be putting into our Focus RS. And I just want to say that these are absolutely awesome looking and feeling. It feels like really good quality, really nice metal housings. They look really cool because they're black. Not that you're going to see them once they're installed, but it's still nice. So it should be a fairly simple install, just plug and play, and yeah, just they look real good. I will say that this is a little bit of an experiment because Autobeam have not got these listed under the Focus RS section of the website, but they sent me out a set just to give it a go and see how I got on. So yeah, it's an experiment for them, an experiment for me. So let's see how we get on and how they look in the car. Alright, first things first, we need to get this piece of trim off, and it's basically got clips all the way around it, so we just need to like pry it off and just release the clips and get it off. So I'm going to just start down here where I can get my hand in. And it's coming nicely. So working my way around. Oh, there we go. And that's that off. So you can kind of see those clips. They're not like super duper big clips. They are designed just to be pulled off, so don't be too afraid. They are kind of at an angle, so I think maybe it's like a little easier if you pull it maybe slightly towards the center of the car, but yeah, that's that off. Next up, we need to use a T25 Torx to get this little Torx screw out. There we go. Alright, next there's like little tab things that sort of hold this in, so we kind of just need to like press them and then just pull it out kind of thing. Oh, she's windy. There we go. These are the tabs, just push them in and out this will come. So now we can take the stock bulb out. So we just grip it and twist like that, and then it should, with a little bit of encouragement, come out. Ooh. There we go. So now we just need to disconnect our electrical harness. So if we push down on this tab here and give it a wriggle, it comes out. So here's a little side by side. You can just see the difference. The LED upgrade from Autobeam just looks really nice. It's obviously an LED. Nice chunky housing. You've got a built-in fan to keep it cool, so it should last a lot longer. Then the connection is the same. So yeah, you just need to put this in, connect it all up. So you can see the little tabs on the Autobeam unit. They just line up with these holes right here in the housing. So just line these up. Should drop in. And then twist it clockwise to lock into place. So you can see the Autobeam unit in there looking lovely. It's a shame you don't really get to see it very much because it's behind this little like reflector thing or whatever, but yeah, it looks good, it fits real well. So now we just need to connect up our cable and put it all back together. Okay, a little bit of an issue with this is this part is too big to get in here. Now I could ram it in here and it would probably be okay, but I would never get it back out again, which is the issue. So this being a little bit of an experiment from Autobeam with me, it's not going to work out this time, so this will give them something to go back to the drawing board with, and hopefully we will get something for the Focus RS specifically out very, very soon. But yeah, so for now I need to just reverse what I've just been doing and just put the stock ball back in and go back to the drawing board with Autobeam. Oh well, epic fail. Well, that experiment from Autobeam didn't quite work out this time, unfortunately. The H8 bulb, the standard performance LED fog light bulb, was just a little bit too big on the end to fit in. It's just because the Focus RS bulbs are side mounted and they have to fit past that bit of like the bumper. They would fit in, but it would be very difficult to ever get them back out, unfortunately. But what can you do? Hopefully Autobeam will get something out for the Focus RS very, very soon, and I will bring you that video as soon as that happens. But anyway, I hope you like this attempt anyway. I hope you like this little video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more content to come very, very soon. Thank you once again. Goodbye.